What if a full-sized pickup could dominate the toughest trails in the morning, cruise through the city in the afternoon, and still deliver premium comfort at night? The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2 is built to answer that question with confidence, combining aggressive off-road capability, bold design, advanced technology, and everyday practicality into one powerful package. This is not just another truck in the Silverado lineup. This is the most adventure-ready version, designed for drivers who want real performance beyond the pavement, while still enjoying modern comfort and refinement. From the very first glance, the Silverado ZR2 makes a strong impression, with a wide and muscular stance that immediately communicates strength and durability. The front fascia features a bold, blacked-out grille with Chevrolet lettering that gives it a rugged and purposeful look, while the redesigned LED headlights add a modern and aggressive touch. The hood appears sculpted and functional, enhancing airflow and reinforcing the truck's powerful character. The front bumper is specifically designed for off-road use, with improved approach angles, allowing the truck to handle steep inclines and obstacles with ease. Skid plates are integrated in the lower section to protect critical components from rocks and rough terrain. Moving along the sides, the strong body lines and flared wheel arches highlight its off-road focus, while large all-terrain tires mounted on durable alloy wheels provide both grip and visual impact. The increased ride height adds to its commanding presence and ensures better clearance over uneven surfaces. At the rear, the design remains clean and functional, with a reinforced bumper and dual exhaust outlets that hint at the power under the hood. Every angle of the Silverado ZR2 is built with purpose, making it look tough, capable, and ready for any challenge. Stepping inside the cabin reveals a completely different side of the truck, where rugged capability meets modern luxury. The interior is designed to be both durable and comfortable, using high-quality materials that can handle tough conditions while still providing a premium feel. The seats are supportive and well-cushioned, offering comfort during long drives, whether on highways or rough trails. The dashboard layout is clean and intuitive, with a large infotainment display placed at the center, providing easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The system is responsive and supports modern connectivity features, including wireless smartphone integration, allowing drivers to stay connected without distraction. The digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information, giving the driver access to performance data, off-road stats, and essential driving details. The steering wheel is designed for control and comfort, with integrated buttons that make it easy to manage various functions without taking hands off the wheel. Additional features such as dual-zone climate control, a premium sound system, and multiple storage compartments enhance the overall usability of the cabin, making it suitable for both work and leisure. The hood, the 2026 Silverado ZR2, is expected to continue offering a powerful engine lineup focused on delivering strong performance and reliability. A V8 engine remains the highlight, providing impressive horsepower and torque that allow the truck to handle heavy loads, steep inclines, and demanding off-road conditions with ease. The power delivery is smooth yet aggressive, ensuring that the truck responds quickly when needed while maintaining control. The transmission system is tuned for both performance and efficiency, delivering seamless gear shifts that enhance driving comfort. The exhaust note adds to the experience with a deep and confident sound that reflects the truck's strength. One of the key features of the ZR2 is its advanced off-road suspension system, which is specifically engineered to handle rough terrain with confidence, using specialized dampers that absorb impacts and maintain stability even in challenging conditions. This allows the truck to travel over rocks, dirt, and uneven surfaces without compromising ride quality. The four-wheel drive system is designed to provide maximum traction, distributing power effectively to all wheels and ensuring grip in situations where other vehicles might struggle. Selectable drive modes allow the driver to adapt the truck's performance based on terrain conditions, including mud, sand, snow, and rocky trails, making it highly versatile for different environments. Locking differentials further enhance its capability by ensuring that power is delivered evenly to the wheels, even when traction is limited. Off-road capability is where the Silverado ZR2 truly shines, with features that go beyond standard trucks. The high ground clearance allows it to clear obstacles easily, while skid plates protect the underside from damage. The improved approach, departure, and breakover angles make it easier to navigate steep slopes and uneven terrain without scraping the body. Advanced traction control systems work continuously to maintain stability and control, giving the driver confidence in difficult conditions. Hill descent control is another useful feature, allowing the truck to maintain a controlled speed when descending steep slopes without constant braking, making off-road driving safer and more manageable. Technology plays a major role in enhancing both safety and convenience in the 2026 Silverado ZR2, with a wide range of driver assistance features designed to support the driver in various situations. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, all working together to improve safety and reduce the risk of accidents. A 360-degree camera system provides a complete view around the truck, making it easier to navigate tight spaces or challenging trails. The infotainment system is equipped with the latest software, offering a user-friendly interface and fast performance. Over-the-air updates ensure that the system stays current with new features and improvements without requiring dealership visits. Practicality remains a strong point of the Silverado ZR2, as it offers a spacious cabin with plenty of room for passengers, along with a durable bed that can handle heavy loads, making it suitable for both work and adventure. The tailgate design may include advanced features that improve accessibility and functionality, adding to its versatility. Fuel efficiency is reasonable for a truck of this size and capability, although it is not the primary focus, as performance and durability take priority. However, improvements in engine technology and aerodynamics help make it more efficient than previous models. Pricing for the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2 is expected to position it within the premium off-road truck segment, reflecting the advanced features, powerful performance, and specialized equipment it offers. While it may come at a higher cost compared to standard models, it delivers significant value for buyers who require a vehicle that can perform in extreme conditions while still offering comfort and modern features. Overall, the 2026 Silverado ZR2 stands as a complete package that brings together strength, technology, and versatility in a way that few trucks can match. It is designed for drivers who want to go beyond limits, whether that means exploring remote trails, carrying heavy loads, or simply enjoying a powerful and capable vehicle in everyday life. It represents the evolution of the modern pickup truck, proving that you can have extreme off-road capability without sacrificing comfort, style, or advanced technology, making it one of the most exciting and capable trucks available for those who refuse to settle for ordinary and demand a vehicle that can handle anything with confidence and strength.